In this video, I would like to thank you, all the alumni of AI and Agriculture course, which we have at Udemy, and I would like to highlight their profiles and speak about the course in general. So give me a second, I will share my screen. First of all, I would like to tell you the story, how the course has appeared. So due to my work with PTOL Pro, we are speaking with lots of stakeholders. Stakeholders are people who are involved in food production. And basically we saw that everyone is interested in AI, artificial intelligence. At the same time, the understanding what is AI is a little bit not clear, because everyone understands that it's probably some very smart robots, or maybe some very smart technologies, or something else very smart. But we are a little bit spoiled with these videos where drones are flying above the fields. So, and we speak about in agriculture, those images appear in our mind. At the same time, I thought that, we need to have this like fabulous image, but also we need to understand the components, parts of the AI which are creating all the nice images. And that's why I recorded this course, and I'm really glad that as of more than August 2025, we had more than 1,500 people who enjoyed this course, who enrolled to learn more about smart technologies and about more productive way how to grow food. So let's go to our issue, to our submissions. Here we have my message. In short, it's all about thank you. Yes, thank you to everyone who gave this course live, because obviously course is nothing without students. So students who have taught, so students who learned, students who provided some questions, some results, so students are the heart and the engine and the energy of this course. And here they are. In this month, during this month, we had more than 70 people who have accomplished the course fully, and they watched all the videos and they accomplished all the tasks which are included. And also, as usual, I'm putting ladies first, and then we speak about a gentleman. All of them are the future of sustainable agriculture globally, because you can see the profile of these gentlemen, of the students. They are from different countries, they are from different age range, and they still have the mutual decision to learn more about possibilities, how to make their work with agriculture more productive. And here I also included the alumni profile for the last month, so it's July. And I must say that when I designed and created this course, I was not expecting that it will be such a huge amount of people who will be interested in this course. So that's why first time it was just 25 people who accomplished the course, and it was pretty easy to put all of them in one photo and show all of them. But then in August we have more than 70, and this was another creative challenge for me, how to demonstrate all these nice people who have done some efforts towards the knowledge. And also here you can see this quite excited numbers and overwhelming numbers for me, because as a person who was born in a very small town in Ukraine, I can't imagine that, it's a little bit overwhelming to see that people from 98 countries have been interested in my idea. They learned something from me, and 28,000 minutes also sound good. I'm happy that we spend all this time together with people who will drive the future of the agriculture. And these are the kind feedback from two of my students. It's Asmi and Abdul. They are very appreciated and huge supporters of the course, and they are capable to do their own courses because they are experts in their domain. So I hope my course is inspiring for not just for them, but for all the students who already have learned something from me, and I hope they will be creative and will create some other education for them, their communities, and spread the knowledge further. And I think it's the end. So thank you so much for your time today, and I hope that Together, we can make a tiny and mini change in the minds of growing generation, which will be responsible for feeding the world in the future. If you still have not finished the AI in Agriculture course, please join me in Udemy. We are learning together, and yes, some updates regarding Udemy course are coming soon, so stay in touch.